Want to start making music on your computer? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install FL Studio on your Windows PC or laptop. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type FL Studio Download or go directly to the official website of ImageLine. Once the website loads, look for the download button. Click on the download button. You'll see different versions available, but for most users, you can choose the Windows installer. Click the download option and wait for the file to finish downloading. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. Find the FL Studio setup file and double-click it to start the installation. A setup window will appear. Click Next. Then read and accept the license agreement. After that, click Next again to continue. Now you can choose the installation location. Most users can simply keep the default settings. Click Next, then click Install to begin the installation process. Wait a few moments while the program installs. Once it's finished, click Finish. Now, open FL Studio from your desktop or Start menu. You can start the trial version or log in with your account to unlock the full version. And that's it. You've successfully installed FL Studio on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you.